Today I want to show you how to replace battery for the Aspen smart window fan remote control. Okay, so what you need is you need your remote control. You need a new battery, which is CR 2025 battery, and we highly suggest that you have a nickel. Okay, use a nickel to open the back cover. Now you have the remote. Flip back. Okay. When you see the cover, there is an arrow here, which aligns with the line here. You want to grab your nickel, and you want to twist open. Just slightly push a little bit and twist till the arrow aligns with the dot. So now the arrow has been aligned with the dot here. Now you just tap it open. Just tap it hard on your hand, your palm. Now here you go. So you remove the old battery out. Now I want to put the new battery in. So when you put the new battery in, you want to avoid these two pins here. You don't want to press down these two pins. So what you have to do is you need to slide it down, okay, below these two pins. All right, so now you're good to go. You need to put the cover back. Now remember, the arrow is here. You want to align the arrow with the dot again. Okay, and press it down. Use your nickel, twist it back. That's it.